Hello everyone, and welcome to SHIBA Killer. Remember, SHIBA Killer is HEJJ4 token. Alright, and let's start with this video. The point is like this. We are a BEP20 token, alright, so we're not an ERC20, and we're here to just promote our own token, but not just that. We want to kill Shiba and Dogecoin. We are the new Shiba killer, the new Dogecoin killer. All right. So let's have a look. Let's go to few things. All right. Follow us on YouTube and have a look at this video. Again, we have this potential to grow 1,000 times. All right. So 1,000x. That's the potential. In a few months, we will go to 10 cents. So have a look at our prices. We are trading on PancakeSwap and Dodoex. Have a look. You can buy it on Dodoex, and 1 million of our tokens is really, really cheap. It's $106. All right. See us on PancakeSwap. Same story on V1 version 1. We are trading there. All right. Another thing, we wanna show you that Shiba doesn't deserve this price and this attention. So I'm telling you, our team, it's growing. We are strong. We are a bunch of programmers, which we're gonna grow to more than 50 programmers in very few months. And think about, we are HEJJ4.Ai, but you can see our page as in HEJJ4.biz, and we will open our own swap. So it's gonna be HEJJ4 swap. All right, we're gonna open it, we're gonna test it. Same story in few weeks from now, very few weeks, less than 2 weeks, we're gonna be on the market. So my advice to you, buy the token, go on PancakeSwap, go on Dodoex. Both of them are decentralized. Not just that, we are on Coinsbit and P2P, B2B, and asbit.com. Okay, have a look, follow us on Telegram, and again, we are Shiba killers, we are Dogecoin killers. Follow us on Twitter too. All right, thank you very much for your attention, and don't forget, have a profitable day, plug in some money, and think about, it can bring you 100,000% profit in less than 7 months. Thank you very much again. Have a good one.